abandon, abundant, accelerate, accommodate, accomplish, accumulate, accurate, acknowledge, acquire, adapt, adequate, adjacent, advocate, affect, allocate, alter, ambiguous, analyze, anticipate, apparent, appreciate, appropriate, approximate, arbitrary, assess, assign, assume, attain, attribute, authorize, available, aware, benefit, bias, brief, bulk, capable, capacity, cease, challenge, circumstance, cite, clarify, coherent, coincide, collapse, commence, commit, commodity, compatible, compensate, compile, complement, complex, comply, comprehensive, conceive, concentrate, concept, conclude, concurrent, conduct, confer, confine, confirm, conform, consent, considerable, consistent, constant, constitute, constrain, construct, consult, consume, contact, contemporary, context, contract, contradict, contribute, controversy, convene, converse, convert, convince, cooperate, coordinate, core, correspond, criteria, crucial, currency, cycle, data, debate, decade, decline, deduce, define, definite, demonstrate, deny, depress, derive, design, despite, detect, deviate, device, devote, differentiate, dimension, diminish, discrete, discriminate, displace, display, dispose, distinct, distort, distribute, diverse, document, domain, dominate, draft, duration, dynamic, elaborate, element, eliminate, emerge, emphasis, enable, encounter, enhance, ensure, entity, environment, equate, equip, establish, estimate, evaluate, eventually, evident, evolve, exceed, exclude, exhibit, expand, expert, explicit, exploit, export, expose, external, extract, factor, feature, federal, finance, fluctuate, focus, format, formula, foundation, framework, function, fundamental, generate, generation, global, goal, guarantee, guideline, hypothesis, identify, ignore, illustrate, impact, implement, implicate, imply, impose, incentive, incidence, incline, include, incorporate, indicate, individual, induce, inevitable, infrastructure, inhibit, initial, initiate, input, insert, inspect, instance, institute, integrate, intelligent, intense, interact, intermediate, interpret, interval, intervene, intrinsic, invest, investigate, involve, isolate, issue, justify, labor, layer, lecture, legislate, legitimate, leisure, liberal, license, likewise, locate, maintain, major, manual, margin, mature, maximize, mechanism, mediate, migrate, minimum, minimize, modify, monitor, motivate, mutual, negate, network, neutral, notion, objective, obtain, obvious, occupy, occur, offset, ongoing, option, orient, outcome, output, overall, overlap, overseas, parallel, parameter, participate, perceive, persist, phase, phenomenon, philosophy, physical, policy, portion, pose, potential, practitioner, proceed, precise, predict, preliminary, presume, previous, primary, principal, principal, prior, proceed, process, professional, prohibit, project, promote, proportion, prospect, protocol, psychology, publication, purchase, pursue, qualify, quote, radical, random, range, ratio, rational, react, recover, regime, region, register, regulate, reinforce, reject, relax, release, relevant, reluctant, rely, remove, require, research, resolve, resource, respond, restore, restrict, retain, reveal, revenue, reverse, revise, revolution, rigid, route, scenario, schedule, scheme, scope, section, sector, secure, seek, select, sequence, series, shift, significant, similar, simulate, cite, source, specific, specify, sphere, stable, statistic, status, strategy, stress, structure, style, subsequent, subsidy, substitute, successor, sufficient, summarize, supplement, survey, survive, suspend, sustain, symbol, target, task, technique, technology, temporary, tend, terminate, text, theory, topic, trace, tradition, transform, transit, transmit, transport, trend, trigger, ultimate, undergo, underlie, undertake, uniform, unify, unique, utilize, valid, variable, variation, vehicle, version, via, violate, virtual, visible, vision, volume, voluntary, welfare, whereas, widespread, willing, withdraw, withstand, witness, yield, accurate, achieve, acquire, adjust, allocate, amend, assemble, assume, attach, authorize, collapse, compile, conceive, confer, constrain, consult, convert, convince, coordinate, correspond, dedicate, differentiate, diminish, disclose, diverge, elaborate, embed, enforce, enhance, eradicate, establish, evaluate, exaggerate, examine, exceed, facilitate, fluctuate, formulate, foster, generate, highlight, illustrate, implement, impose, incorporate, induce, integrate, intervene, investigate, isolate, legislate, maintain, mediate, minimize, modify, monitor, motivate, negotiate, obtain, offset, optimize, oversee, parallel, perceive, predict, prescribe, prioritize, prohibit, pursue, reconstruct, refine, regulate, reinforce, renovate, restrict, simulate, specify, stabilize, synthesize, utilize,